हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो में। आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10 इंग्लिश प्रोज का पहला चैप्टर द पेस ऑफ लिविंग। तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं। सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज वेयर डिड द राइटर वॉच द प्ले? आंसर द राइटर वॉच्ड द प्ले इन डबलिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हु वाज द चीफ कैरेक्टर इन द प्ले? आंसर द मेन कैरेक्टर वाज एन elderly corn merchant from a small Irish town, likely representing ordinary people facing life's challenges. Question number 3 does the writer dislike rapid movement in every field? Answer no, the writer doesn't oppose rapid progress in all areas, but rather emphasizes the importance of balance between fast-paced and slower, more thoughtful approaches in life. Question number 4. In which situation does the writer find himself in the cinema? Answer. At the cinema, the writer feels lost in a hopeless, thick mist, struggling to keep up with the fast-paced plot and visual elements of modern films. Question number 5. How does the writer classify himself as a thinker? Answer. The writer identifies as a slow thinker, acknowledging his tendency to process information more deliberately and often coming up with responses after the moment has passed. Let's come to the long answer questions. Question number 1. Write a few sentences about the elderly corn merchant. Answer. The elderly corn merchant was a man burdened with numerous anxieties and a weak heart. He faced several personal challenges, including a deceitful nephew and a wife with extravagant holiday plans. Overwhelmed by the rapid pace of modern life, he expressed his frustration with the speed of technological advancements, particularly mentioning an airplane capable of 1,000 miles per hour. His concerns reflect the struggle of adapting to a fast-changing world, especially for older generations. Question number 2. They tell me there's an aeroplane now that goes at 1,000 miles an hour. Now, that's fast. What light does this remark of the corn merchant throw on the fast life today? Answer. The corn merchant's remark highlights the drastic acceleration of modern life. Driven by rapid technological advancements, it reflects the overwhelming feeling many people experience when faced with the increasing speed of daily life and innovations. This statement serves as a metaphor for the broader societal shift towards a faster-paced existence, emphasizing the contrast between traditional lifestyles and the modern world's relentless pursuit of speed and efficiency. Question number 3. What sort of excitement do we have today which our ancestors lacked? Is it an advantage or a disadvantage? Answer. Today we experience the thrill of high-speed travel and instant communication which our ancestors couldn't imagine. Modern transportation allows us to cover vast distances quickly, enabling experiences like dining in different countries within hours. While these advancements offer numerous advantages such as time saving and expanded opportunities, they also present challenges. The constant rush and pressure to keep up with technology can lead to stress and mental fatigue. Ultimately, the impact of this excitement depends on how we balance its benefits with our well-being. Question number 4. Who are taken to be slow thinkers? How are the slow thinkers handicapped today? Answer. Slow thinkers are individuals who process information and respond to situations more deliberately, often lacking quick reflexes in their thought processes. In today's fast-paced world, these individuals may struggle to keep up with rapid decision-making demands and instant communication expectations. This can put them at a disadvantage in various aspects of life, including work environments that prioritize quick thinking and immediate responses. However, it's important to note that slow thinking can also lead to more thorough and creative solutions, though this may not always be recognized in our speed-driven society. Question number 5. What enlightenment does the writer seek from his wife? What does it suggest about the plight of the modern man? Answer. The writer asks his wife to help him distinguish between female actors in a film, revealing his difficulty in keeping up with fast-paced media. This situation highlights the challenges faced by modern individuals in processing the overwhelming amount of information and stimuli in today's world. It suggests that many people struggle to fully engage with or appreciate the complexities of modern entertainment and society, often feeling lost or confused. The writer's reliance on his wife's explanation also points to the importance of support systems in navigating the rapid pace of contemporary life. Question number 6. Summarize the central idea of the essay. Answer. The Pace for Living by R.C. Hutchinson explores the tension between modern life's rapid pace and the human need for slower, more thoughtful experiences. The essay critiques the fast-paced lifestyle of contemporary society while acknowledging its benefits and drawbacks. Hutchinson argues that while quick thinking can lead to success in certain areas, it may also result in a loss of enjoyment and deeper understanding of life. The central idea is to encourage readers to find a balance between efficiency and meaningful engagement with the world around them. Highlight the importance of both fast and slow thinking in navigating modern life. Now let's come to discuss the following in groups or pairs question. And the question number 1 is, life has become too fast today. Answer. This is indeed a common observation. The response you have provided highlights several key points. The shift from life as an art of living to life defined by speed. The constant rush in daily activities, especially for professionals. The loss of joy due to this frantic pace. These observations reflect widespread concerns about work-life balances, stress, and the quality of life in modern society. It's worth considering both the benefits, increased productivity, efficiency, and drawbacks, stress, loss of personal time of this fast-paced lifestyle. Question number 2. The fast life of Western society is compelling Westerners to turn to India. Answer. The response touches on some interesting points. The contrast between modern Western lifestyle and traditional ways of living. The loss of leisure and relaxation in contemporary society. Growing Western interest in Indian practices, particularly yoga. This trend reflects a search for balance and alternative approaches to well-being. It's important to note that while there's increased interest in practices like yoga in the West, this doesn't necessarily mean a wholesale adoption of Indian lifestyles. Would you like to explore any aspect of this topics further? We could discuss potential solutions to the too fast lifestyle or examine the cultural exchange between East and West in more details. Now let's come to composition, and the first question is, write a letter to your mother about a hectic day that you spent. Number 1. Court Road, Patna, 5th April 2024. My dear Mama, I am writing to give you a short description of a hectic day I had recently. Our school starts at 8 am, so I have to wake up early. However, one winter morning, I overslept and was late in getting out of bed. As a result, I reached school late and was not allowed to enter since the gate was closed. Since I couldn't attend school, I decided to ride my bicycle to a park to study. I found a quiet spot and started my studies. When I got up to leave, I discovered that my bicycle was gone. It must have been stolen while I was deeply engrossed in my studies. With a heavy heart, I left the park and decided to head home. Then I remembered that I should inform the police about the theft. I went to the nearest police station and registered a case of theft against an unknown person. The entire day was spent in frantic activity and dealing with this unfortunate situation. With best wishes, your loving son, Jeetu. Question number 2. As the secretary of the drama society of your school, write a note to invite the students to watch a play in Hindi. Mention the title of the play, its writer, the venue, and the time. Patna Navyug School, Patna. Notice 2nd April 2024. Open house play. The drama society of our school is organizing a play in Hindi on 10th April at 6 p.m. in the school hall. The play is titled Satya Harishchandra and is written by Bharatendu Harishchandra. All students of our school are cordially invited to watch this performance. Secretary Bipin, class 10. Now let's come to word study, which is for dictionary use. And the question number 1 is, correct the spelling of the following words. The answer will be fantastic, ancestors, complaint, gratefully, 90, granted. Let's come to word formation. Look at the words of Latin or Greek origin and the way new words are derived from them without adding any prefix or suffix. Answer, mirrored. Please mind your duty. Long, the new road is 20 miles long. King, there was a king. Ears, man has 2 ears. Eyes, man has 2 eyes. Moon, the moon moves around the earth. Sun, the sun gives us light. Mental, he has been suffering from mental disease. Lengthy, this sum is very lengthy. Royal, he comes from a royal family. Oral, Dr. Pathak is an oral surgeon. Ocular, the patient has an ocular problem. Lunar, a lunar month is of about 29 and half days. Solar, the sun and the planets which revolve around the solar system. Now let's come to word meaning. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Answers, notion and idea. Despair, state of hopelessness. Illustration, example. Gratefully, with a feeling of gratitude. Tribe, group of people of the same race. Prejudice, a preconceived idea. और इसी के साथ आज का सोल्यूशन वीडियो यही समाप्त होता है। जल्द लौटेंगे और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो के साथ, तब तक कीप लर्निंग।